Hey, Chad, what are you gonna do to the bears?
I'm gonna do a little of this and this!
Chad, maybe you could fight and kill the bears, but give them the chance to surrender first.
Huh, good idea.
Chad, if you need a spear, I found these sticks.
Hold on a sec.
We can build a tree fort here and expand these trees with rope after defeating the
Hey,
bears.
bud, it's getting pretty late. Maybe we should head back to camp?
But Chad, the bears. I heard one of them say, "Hey, we're going this way. You and Chad will never find us."
The bear knew my name.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Hey, bud, do you have the map?
Oh, the bears took the map to do their business.
Oh, gross. Getting pretty cold out here. Hey, aren't you cold, buddy?
As long as those bears are out there, I'm warm as I can be.
Hey, check out this log. Pretty nice in here. Yeah, it's bigger inside than it looks from the outside. I mean, we're not gonna be throwing parties. We can huddle and take a little nap. Maybe head out when it's light again. I promise your mom I'll keep you safe this weekend. I'm so hungry.
Beans, beans, beans. It's always dang beans. Where are they? Somewhere in here. Where are they? Beans, beans, beans.
It's getting hard. Clarence! Where's Clarence? Clarence! Clarence! Clarence!
Now rotate the weenie 45 degrees.
Clarence!
If I'm not mistaken, someone's in trouble.
The beans! Beans accomplished. This is bad.
I'm either gonna die in these woods, or I'm gonna get back home and Mary's gonna kill me. I might as well just live in this old log. Clarence! I'm coming, buddy!
Chad!
Clarence?
I got your beans, Chad! I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm just happy you're alive! Grab my hand!
Gotta save the beans!
Gotta save you! Now drop the cans and grab my hand!
Oh no, beavers! Chad! You're about to enter a world of beans!
Great job, bud! Bears. Oh, I don't know why I believe that. Oh, you pretty much almost got us killed. Don't worry. I promise not to tell your mom if you promise. You little bean thief.
Okay, I won't tell anybody.
Our own little camping adventure.
Dad, look! I think I found the fellow camper's ID.
Holy moly, wet cash!
Wet cash? Well, shouldn't we report that to the ranger?
Camden, we don't have to report everything to the ranger.